Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. Today I'm going to be filming this look here. I thought I'd do a nice green look for you guys. I used mainly the Melt Gemini palette. You know, this has been like I guess like YouTube's favorite palette. Like last year when it came out, or like the year before that. So I'm finally getting around to filming something with this palette because I only got it like a few months ago. So yeah, I thought I'd do this quick look, and if you are interested in how to do this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Lumilayer Primer from VDL. I've been using this for a very long time. It's very similar to the MAC strobe cream. It has like that bluish, purplish, pinky pearlescence to it. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I am the color Light Beige. So 2 pumps on my hand. And I'm going to use the Zoeva Silk Finish brush. This is number 102. Just to put it all over. This Too Faced foundation is like one of my favorites because I have super dry skin. This like hydrates throughout the day. I feel like it gives me like a really nice glow. Yeah, and I'm all for that dewy look. Like I really don't like matte foundations. That's why I didn't buy the Fenty Pro Filt'r foundation when it first came out, because I heard that it's very, very drying. So I didn't want to risk it. Also, it's like it's almost 10 o'clock at night here. I'm filming quite late because I was like trying to edit all my other YouTube videos that I haven't posted up yet. But I'm gonna get into the schedule of things, I promise. And then I'm gonna color correct my dark circles here. I'm using the Sun & Park Ultimate Cover Cushion Stick. This has 2 sides. I don't really like to use this one. I feel like it just rubs it away. So I'm not gonna use that, but I'm gonna use this side. It's a very light peach. I feel like I would need a stronger peach shade because my dark circles are so dark. Yeah, I've kind of like decided that I will get surgery later when I have, you know, the monies. I'm gonna use a Real Techniques brush. Oh, what is this? The Deluxe Crease brush. Yeah, all the names have rubbed off the brush. But anyways, just gonna buff that in. And then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Pro Filt'r Concealer. This concealer is really good. I feel like it covers really nicely. It's not drying. And I like the little paddle on it too. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like kind of flat, like thin and flat, which I like. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just going to use the same foundation brush just to tap that in. Usually I just use a sponge, but you know, I actually forgot to wet my sponge, and I don't want to go back, so I'm just going to use a brush. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to just smooth it out with my dry beauty blender, just to kind of make sure that there's no like bristle marks. And then I'm going to bake under my eyes using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Setting Powder in color Banana. And then I'm going to wipe it away immediately because I don't want my eye to look kind of crusty. So, also, I figured out a way to connect my camera to my phone so I can like see myself on my phone while it's still filming. Genius. Yeah, I wasn't very proactive in like how to use this camera before, but now since I'm like dedicated to filming, I'm like trying to learn as much as I can about my camera. yeah, so like last week I bought like this like HDMI cord, and I was like, but I don't want to like shift my chair and like put all my stuff on the back. So that's why, you know, I'm using my husband's like studio side as a background right now. I'm gonna start sculpting. I'm going to use the Fenty Matchsticks in Truffle. And just swipe. This color is actually a little bit too dark for my skin tone, but I feel like since all of the foundations here that I get in Korea are too dark, too light, I feel like it kind of balances it out. But it blends really nicely. If you don't have this, you should definitely try it. And this is the Sigma Curved Kabuki. Really like this brush. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna just do the highlight. I don't know what highlight should I use. I'm gonna use the Dose of Colors Mirame highlighter. This is the first generation. The first one that they released, because it's still the old packaging. But yeah, it's really, really gorgeous. I think it's a little bit too dark for me, but I feel like I can make it work. Oh yeah. Also, I kind of realize now that I should have like highlighted after I did my eyes, but whatever. What happens? Oh, this is the Makeup Forever Wavy 152. So soft. I love this. If I could get a full set of these, I would. But I am poor. Help me, I'm poor. What movie is that from? Anyway, I'm gonna go into my eyes now. I'll do the blush and other stuff later. So I'm gonna use the Gemini palette here. So pretty, love it. I'm just gonna use this fluffy brush and go into the color Luna. Also, I don't really prime my eyelids because I feel like the foundation is tacky enough. So I'm gonna bring it towards the brow bone, but not completely, because I want to highlight this area. I feel like Luna is like the color of my flesh, like exactly. Also, this is one of the first brushes that I bought in Korea. I love this brush. I don't think they sell this anymore, but it was from like Elle Girl or something, like a brand, like copycat brand in Korea. I wish they made more of these. I would buy like 10. But it's like the perfect size and the perfect thickness. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with this color, Polkadot. The Zoeva Luxe Petite Crease. Because I have a petite crease. I'm just gonna go above my crease line. There you go. It's like in the crease, but slightly above. And then just carve it out. So if you have like not a lot of lid space like I do, like particularly like Asian eyes, then this is a very good method. And then you want to kind of blend out that line again, go in with that same brush that you used with the first color, and just blend it out. Alright, so both the eyes are done. I'm going to go in with the darker shade here called Cupcake with the same brush, and then just deepen up the crease. I'm going to go into the crease right now. So where your natural crease is, I'm just going to deepen that up. These shadows are so pigmented that I can just use the same brush twice. Like, you know what I mean? Like, if I go in with this eye, I can just carry on over to this side and it'll still have pigment left. Okay, and then just try to blend that in with the first color, or the polka dot color. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go in with a concealer now. I just want to kind of make sure that there's no like muddiness when I apply the green. So let's see, I'm just gonna use that Pro Filt'r concealer. Just dab a little bit on the back of my hand, and with a flat brush, I'm just gonna use this one. This is the Make Me Up brush, concealer brush. I bought this at like Watson's a long time ago. All right, and then I'm just gonna carve out the front part of my lid. After you've carved it out, I'm gonna go in with, what should I do? I'm gonna go in with Mochi first in the inner corner, the MAC 239 brush with Mochi, which is this like mustardy yellow-green. And I'm just gonna pack it on. Alright, so it kind of looks like this right now. And then I'm gonna go into Fire OG and then put that in the middle with the same brush. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the darkest green, which is Leo, again using the same brush, to the outer corner. And just kind of flick it up into that V. Okay, and then I'm just going to use a remainder just to line the bottom lashes with Leo. Alright, and then I'm going to go again with Fire OG, and then go a little bit outside of Leo on the bottom lashes. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush. I'm going to use the Real Techniques, I don't know which brush this is. It's like flat and fluffy. And then I'm going to go in with Mochi, like that, and then go even further out on the bottom lash line. So you have a little gradient. And then I want a little bit of shimmer. I'm going to go over the green shadow with the Inglot pigment in number 82. This is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, like that. It's very, very pretty. It's like a duochrome. Just in the front area. Just press it in. I'm just gonna go like only halfway on the lid. So just like from the inner corner just to here. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's very, very shiny and shimmery. I don't know. Can you guys see that? Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to line my eyes. I'm going to use, what am I going to use? I'm going to use this black liner that I bought a couple of weeks ago, or like a week ago. This is from, it's a Korean brand, Merzy, the first gel eyeliner in Black Moon. It's very black. I quite like it. It's very soft too, and it dries down pretty quickly. Alright, and then tight line as well. Then I'm going to add a little brown shadow to the outer edge of my eyes. This is a MAC brush, but I don't know what it is because it's just cracked all over. But it's one of these ones. It's like flat and fluffy. And I'm gonna go, what should I do? Actually, I'm just gonna use this black Bonnie color just on the outer V, just to smoke it out a little bit. Okay guys, so I just finished my brows. I did them off camera because it just takes me forever to do them. So I just used the Benefit Cup Brow in number 3. It looks like this. And then I just used the Zoeva Brow Line Brush 322. So together like this is fantastic. And I'm just going to brush my brows actually with the 3D Browtones in number 2 from Benefit. Since my hair is dyed, I don't want the color to like mismatch my hair. So this one kind of acts as like a brow mascara and kind of just sets your brows in place. Alright, so that looks good. The eyes are finished. I just need to do some mascara and lashes. So I've got 2 of them here. I'm going to attempt and probably fail to put both of them on at once. Let me get my mirror. Okay, just as I did that, my camera just kind of like disconnected, but I did it, kind of. They look pretty good. Very, very heavy, but very, very voluminous. Okay, for the lips, I'm gonna go for a nude. Alright, my camera keeps disconnecting, so I'm just gonna, try to finish as quickly as possible. I'm gonna finish off with the Sigma Cor-de-Rosa Aura Powder Blush. It's this shade right here. Alright, and then I'm going to finish off with a spray. This is the Neogen Serum Spray. Yeah, so this is the green look. I don't know if you can see from the camera. I think it turned out pretty well. And I love that Inglot pigment because it gives you that kind of extra shimmer. Okay guys, so the look is finished. I hope that you guys like this video. If you would like more tutorials, just let me know what kind of tutorials that you want in the comments below, because I'm still kind of unsure on what kind of videos you guys are interested in. So if it's also you want skincare stuff, then please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And also you can hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video as well. Yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Okay.